Hi, this is to show you how to use one-dimensional arrays in live code. I have a program here where I'm going to get some competition data. I'm going to get a series of contestant names and their corresponding ages, and then I'll carry out some action on those bits of data. So inside that button I have some code here. I've got a handler called initialize fields. So I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to put in an empty handler ready to go, and here's a second handler where I get the number of contestants that I'm going to use. So I'm going to copy that as well, copy, and I'm going to go down here and put in another handler. So I've got two handlers. Just separate them out so you can see them a bit better. So I've got two handlers here that I'm going to fill in. First of all, I'm going to show you how you would initialize these fields. So I'm just going to put empty into, and I need to know what this field is. So I'll click on there, and you'll notice that across here I've called that field names display. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to put that into there like that. And similarly, I'm going to put empty into, and this just clears the fields. So I'll find the name of that. That's my ages display. So I'll copy that. Right, so I've just filled in the code for this handler called initialize fields. I'm now going to do the code for that one. So I'm going to pick up from the user the number of contestants. I'm going to say, please enter the number of contestants. And I'm going to say if the result equals cancel, just to allow them to press cancel if they need to, then exit to top. So whatever they type in, they might type in, say, 5 contestants. I'm going to put it, that's the value that they type into a variable. Now I'm going to use the variable, the number of contestants that they type in, for the loop to go around and get the data. I'm going to go around and get the first name, the second name, the third name, and possibly the ages at the same time. So this variable here is the one that's going to hold the number of contestants. So if I type in 5, that will go into a storage location called number of contestants, and I think I'll display it into that field there. Now I haven't given that field a name. It's got an ID number, but I'll just call it number of contestants. So I'm going to copy that there. Let's see. And in this field, handler down here, I'm going to say first of all, I'm going to pick up that variable and put it down here so that the value goes into that variable, and then I'm going to take the contents of that variable and put it into the field, and I call the field number of contestants. I'm missing the word field there. Right, so I'm all set up, ready to go, and to put the data that I enter for the different number of contestants into the arrays. So I'm just going to do that. Please enter the number of contestants, 5, and there I'm ready to go.